Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home here today with a quick share in my Halloween series. Pretty soon it'll be ending. We're in the middle toward the downhill slope of it. And if you saw the other day, I made some chip bags. If you didn't get a chance to see that video, I will put the link here. But cutting the window out of the chip bag, I ended up with these circles, and so I decided to make a embellishment flip. I don't know what it's called. Book? Album? Tag? No, I don't know, but whatever. And so all the stuff is meant to come off and be used. So this is like a rosette. And then I added the spider here, the web. And then I gave some of these die cuts. And I added this bag toppers. And this flower that I made. And then some bows. And then this tassel that I made. And then some of these coffee cups. These sentiments that you can use to embellish whatever. These flowers. This bag topper. And another one of those spider webs. And that's it. So yeah. Just a quick, easy thing to put together to send some sweetness to some sweet crafty friends. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you coming by. Please consider liking this video, subscribing, sending it to a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!